how to install Capitec app on laptop or PC. Now, for this tutorial, we are going to need to download a third-party application or software for us to be able to use a or an emulator. Now, from here, just pull up your preferred web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and then from your search bar, just simply type in LD Player. So this specific software right here is actually an emulator that allows you to have access on the applications from Google Play Store. Now all you need to choose is the ldplayer.net, which take you out to LD Player's official site. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to download LD Player, and once you have successfully downloaded LD Player, install it. And once you have installed it, all you have to do from the LD Player search bar, this kind of view like a Google Play Store, just simply type in Capitec, install it, and there you go. That's how you download or install Capitec app on your laptop or PC.